noticed in this 2006 Suzuki Grand Vitara. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission, brakes safely with the anti-lock braking system. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: passenger airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.